Hey everybody, this is Monique from Kind People Wellness, and I'm really excited to be here today sharing this episode of Thoughtful Finds with you. I have some really sweet products to share with you that are special to me. I use them, my husband uses them, and this is castor oil roller balls. So what I have are these rollers. Here's a finished product. They're for your skin and your belly, and I'll explain what those benefits are. They all have different gemstones for the roller. The only plastic on the bottle is the cap here, so you can snap it off and on. Otherwise, it's an amber glass bottle with castor oil. This one has jojoba oil, frankincense, essential oil, geranium, and sandalwood, and that's what we're going to be making today. So we'll get started with our organic castor oil. Make sure that when you get castor oil that it's always in a glass amber bottle. That's going to keep its integrity of the beneficial properties that it has. So, oops. This is a 10 milliliter, I'm sorry, no it's not. It's a 50 milliliter glass amber bottle. And I'm going to fill it halfway with some castor oil. Then I have some organic jojoba oil. And I'll fill that about another quarter of the way. And then I'm going to take my doTERRA frankincense oil. It doesn't have to be doTERRA. Any recommended organic essential oil will work, but this one is frankincense. So we'll add some frank. And the benefits of frankincense combined with these two oils for your skin is amazing. So I need to rewind a little bit to the castor oil benefits. For your skin, it's really great for smoothing out fine lines and wrinkles. It helps to generate some collagen in the skin. It's also beneficial for lightening maybe some age spots like I have here. Keep an eye and you'll see how the progress goes as I keep using it. Other than that, it's really good for cleansing your skin and for acne treatment as well. So for the face, it's very beneficial. You can use it to cleanse your makeup as well. So I use it at night to take off my makeup, and then I use a cloth to wipe it with the oil. And then I have the residue left and I sleep with it on my face. So it's still deeply penetrating. Both castor oil and jojoba oil are really deeply penetrating oils. So they're really, even though castor is a little bit thick, it's really sinking in deeply to your skin and affecting more than just the top layers. It also gets into your organs when you use it on your tummy. So that is where I started using castor oil as castor packs to address a lot of different things going on in this mid area. Mainly digestion issues, and so the benefits there are really great for the liver and helping the liver to detox and supports that whole process in the body. There's a specific ingredient called ricinoleic. I'm not sure if I pronounced that properly, but that's the special ingredient that really is symbiotic with the liver and creates some really great benefits for your health. So then also you add in some frankincense, and that's antibacterial, it's all the antis. It's so good for you in all the ways. And so we put some of that in. Next we're gonna go with geranium, so it brings a little bit of a floral scent, but it also has some really nice benefits for your skin as well. There's a lot of vitamin E in here with these different oils. Some of the other benefits of using this oil blend on your belly really impact your lymphatic drainage and help to get that flowing. It can also address stretch marks and scar tissue. Over time, you'll see benefits. This is not going to be something that you use one night and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm a brand new person. But over time, you'll see definite changes in your systems, in your skin, and just how you're feeling and looking. It's also really good without the extra essential oils. Castor oil is very good for helping your eyelashes and eyebrows grow. So I'm going to add some geranium now. So this one is the musky blend. I make a couple of different blends. The one that's more of a floral scent has the frankincense, geranium, and ylang ylang. And then this one has more of a musky scent. So if you like that more woodsy kind of smell, which I like, we add some sandalwood in place of the ylang ylang. Both of them have really wonderful effects for healing the skin, cleansing the skin, preventing acne, addressing inflammation. And it's beneficial. You can use it both on the face or on the tummy and have really beautiful benefits from it. So we're gonna add some sandalwood. Sandalwood's a little thicker, so sometimes it takes a little while for it to come out of here. I'm gonna take the lid off. So these essential oils come with these little tools that help you to pop the lid off. That this one's a little harder than it should be. There we go. So we just pop the top off and put some drops in. So we've got all the essential oils in there. There's a little bit left at the top of my glass that's empty. So I'm gonna add some more castor oil to just top it off. Just to about the shoulder part of the glass. And so now I have some different gem rollers to choose from here. I think I'm going to go with the tiger's eye beautiful ball and pop this baby in. Here we have our finished product. I'm gonna pop the lid on and then just shake it up a little bit so those oils can blend and mix around. You just store these in not too hot of a space and with not too much light. In your bathroom is fine. And then I'll pop a label on it and we'll be good to go to make these available for all my friends when we get to our next market. Thank you for watching. If you would like to ask any questions or inquire about any of our products, you can reach us through social media on Instagram at Kind People Wellness or through our website at kindpeoplewellness.com. We are also service providers. This is one of my passions, is sharing tools that I use that support me on my healing journey and just to feel well in my body. But our main passions revolve around energy healing, sound healing, and somatic movement and therapies. So if you're interested or have any questions in that realm, please feel free to reach out. We would be glad to support you and answer any questions.